Here we go.
They're putting son of a... Oh. That was pretty cool.
Pretty funny.
Oh. The fire kicks in the way.
That's all it does. No boom. No boom. And that's it. Yeah.
Oh, look at! Look at! Woo! Not. Grandpa's gonna have a surprise in his underwear after this. Yeah, he said he sees them every year. He says he didn't want to watch them. Come over here! Oh, Marty! Hey! Woo! Grandpa, excuse me. How much space you got on your iPhone?
I might be able to record them all. Okay.
Here we go. Woo!
Oh, that's what
Whoa! We saw these at the golf course.
You were at the golf course?
Well, we saw the same ones that were at the golf course. Those are gonna fall. Oh my god. Gabe. At the end, somebody's gonna run through the fireworks. You know what'd be a good view? Getting in a trampoline.
I don't want to do that.
Maybe if it had a top.
I wonder how it's going to sound.
How much storage you got on that kind of bitch? We only have 3 more to do after, or we only have 4 more to do after this.
More after that.
Look at all those little people. What?
Oh.
They're gonna start falling in a tree, and it's gonna.
Oh. Oh my god.
What the hell? Holy monkey shit. Get up closer. Come on, man. Right behind the fire pit. Right here. Oh, son of a...
Oh. Ow.
They're gonna start falling right on you. See those little things? They start falling right on you. Roll away.
No.
Oh. That's Grandpa when he's drunk.